helicopter. So let's get started. Okay. It's tipped. Wait. I know. This is. Dang. I hope I don't cut the inside box. Oh God. Oh, dang. I can already. Oh no. We are done. Get out. So here it is. It's the box right here. And we made a little dent here. Sorry. But there's tape. I don't want to ruin this box. I know this. It's not gonna work. I think I did it. Yes, guys, I did it. Dang. Okay. We just got rid of the tape. First, just look at this. There's the remote right here. And it's the charger and it's the helicopter. So let's open that. Whoa! It looks good. Get out of here. This looks good. First of all, out. We are gonna see this. I did it. So this is the remote. It needs 2 batteries, and yeah. And it's pretty good, looks good actually. And this is the on off button, as you can see. And this is, I think this is the up button and this is the start button, maybe. It also have a sensor right here. Okay, nice remote. And we are gonna look at the charger and what the done. So this is the charger. It's so short, but something's better than nothing. So it is nice to have this, and this is so short. So yeah, this is the charger, and I think it is Samsung's charger, maybe, I don't know. And the main part, the helicopter, looks good actually, not gonna lie. So as you can see, this is the charging port here. And there's the sensor right here. And as you can see, this yellow thing, it's the on off button. Yes. I need to test that. The blades are pretty flexible, so if it's hit the wall, it will never broke. So yeah, it looks good. And we even have the stand of the helicopter. So yeah. And also I need to tell you that it charges for 15 minutes and it flies for 10 minutes. So yeah, looks good, not gonna lie. Okay. Now we are gonna test the main charger, but first let's see how is it works. Oh dang. And this, we are gonna put this in here. It's pretty small. Okay, so I don't want to break it, so I'm not gonna charge it right now. So we are gonna do a demo with the helicopter because we can fly here. So let's do it here. Whee! The propellers are very good at flying the helicopter, and this is kind of scary too, but it's okay. But do not give to the children that are 3 years old, okay? Wait, Dad, hold it. I have something. So, as you can see, guys, it also has ears under the helicopter. It also has ears under the helicopter. Whee! As you can see, now there's no air. Now here's air. How do I turn it off? Okay. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Goodbye.